Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to make your own sound on Voicemod Soundboard. So firstly, we have to open our Voicemod. Then from the My Collection section, you have to click on the plus button and add a custom collection. After you add the custom collection, all you have to do is click on the custom collection to get into it and upload any voice file or other voices that you want in your Voicemod file. So after you click on the collection, you can change the name of the collection if you want by clicking on the custom collection on the top hand side. You can change the name to anything you want. After that, you have to click on the upload sound section, and after clicking on that, a menu will be popped up asking you to upload a file. You just have to add the new file from there, and then it will be added to your Voicemod Soundboard section. So then you can use it as you prefer.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.